As the moon gently rises, our journey begins in a serene forest. Feel the soothing embrace of nature's gentle whispers. Enveloped in the forest's calm, our path is lit by delicate moonbeams. Each step invites tranquility and reflection. Suddenly, a glimmer catches your eye. A fairy with a lantern beckons. Her presence adds a gentle warmth to the night. The fairy leads the way, guiding us further into the heart of the forest. Each step feels like a step deeper into dreams. As we journey deeper, we hear the gentle melody of a hidden brook. Its soft song harmonizes with the night. Glistening reflections dance along the water surface, inviting restful thoughts. The brook becomes our companion in serenity. In this sanctuary, the fairy pauses, her eyes full of kindness. Her calm presence soothes the restless spirit. Nearby, the ancient trees whisper tales of time gone by. Their stories bring comfort and wonder to our hearts. We linger, feeling calm settle deep within. The forest embraces us, cradling our thoughts until they dissolve. As we leave, the fairy waves goodbye, her glow etched in our memory. The forest remains a refuge in dreams.